Buying YouTube with Apple gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can buy YouTube with Apple gift card. While the process is very simple, in order to do that, first of all you have to redeem your Apple gift card. So today you just have to go to your App Store, and in your App Store you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you just have to tap on this redeem gift card or card, and afterwards you can actually redeem your gift card by entering the code manually, or you can use the camera to scan the code. After adding the firms into your Apple account, you just have to go to your YouTube. Now in your YouTube you have to tap on your profile. It should be on the bottom right. Now here you simply have to scroll down and tap on this Get YouTube Premium, and there you go. You can actually buy the YouTube Premium and pay using the phones that you've added before. So that's pretty much it. That's all you can do it. Hope you guys find this video help.